Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to display processes on Linux. So in order to do it, of course we need to go into our terminal, so I will choose show apps right here and I will press on terminal. And right there, what command do we use to display processes? I showed you Htop in another video. That's a better way for me, because we can manage processes in Htop as well, so you can watch a video with Htop. But in the video I will show you how to simply show your processes with a built-in tool, the tool that is built in our Linux system. So we are using a command like this, ps. It will show us our processes, but without any option. It will show us only processes that are right now in our terminal. So for example, I used ps in our terminal, so we have a process with the ps. What options can we use? The options, I will show you three options maybe. The first one is psa. This shows us processes from all users. So we have more processes right here, as you can see. We can add also option u. So we can of course combine it. So AU means that we'll add a show processes in like user-friendly format. So we will see also the the process that the username that process is attached to. So the, for example, is test_pl in this case. And the last option that is the most useful for me, because it will show us processes not attached to a terminal. So now we'll see a big list of processes, for example, that are attached to root, to me, and to other things in the system. Of course, we have columns right here. This is the username, this is the process ID, the usage of CPU, memory, and so on, some other options. If you want to see the video that I describe these options, you can watch the video how to manage processes where I showed Htop. And in this video, that will be all. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.